Okay, let me bring Kyler on the video camera so I know that he's okay. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today's Quick Tip Monday and I've got a quick tip for you. So when you put on your foundation and you feel like your foundation is wet, like you hadn't shaken it well before you applied it, but it's too late because it's already on your face, my quick tip is this. Apply your foundation like normal and then blot your face with a tissue as so, and that ensures that all the moisture is absorbed into the tissue and you actually push the foundation pigment into your skin so it does last a little longer. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below. You can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!